My research topic is the effect of extreme weather events on malaria incidence in Africa. My name is Praveer Saridena. I'm a freshman at Thomas Jefferson High School. So here's my introduction. So my research topic is impact of extreme weather events on malaria. So I am to answer like two key questions. How do floods and droughts influence malaria transmission? And what patterns emerge in malaria cases during extreme weather events? So this topic is crucial because extreme weather events are increasing due to climate change, and malaria remains like a global health threat. And the objective of my study is to like synthesize the existing information and research and like highlight patterns between extreme weather and malaria incidents. So for the this is like a literature review. And so I have some like key findings. So studies showed floods create stagnant water, which increase mosquito breeding, while droughts concentrate breeding in limited water pools. So like research highlights that rising temperatures accelerate mosquito life cycles and expand malaria to cooler regions. However, I had some limitations, which include like limited regional data and like no, there are no like long-term studies of like more than a year. So and there are like no specific studies about extreme weather events and malaria, like only on that. So yeah. So for my methodology and results, for my methodology, I analyzed data from like a few different sources. And like I found in like the results section, I found studies showed of uh like floods led to a 30% increase in malaria in Mozambique in 2019 after the flooding there. Droughts caused concentrated breeding and a rise in rural malaria transmission. And warmer climates have pushed malaria to high altitude regions, previously were which like unaffected. And these findings confirm that extreme weather intensifies malaria risk uh, through like extreme weather events. So for my conclusion, uh, I set out to understand like how extreme weather events impacts malaria transmission, and my findings highlight significant patterns. Floods and droughts, like they create like ideal conditions for mosquitoes and to breed and like which increases malaria transmission. And rising temperatures like related to climate change, like they expand like the malaria risk zones, like for example like the high altitude places, they're now infected with malaria, like and which previously they were not. So yeah, uh thank you to like Gifted Gabber for like the research program, and thank you to Professor Virgil and Professor K for helping me out. uh, uh the sessions with Professor Kate, they helped me understand like how to do like research and like how to like go step by step. And Professor Virgil, like his expertise, like helped me like make the research paper more clear and organized. And the research programs like provide the support I needed to learn and like complete my work. And the most exciting part was how weather changes like affect malaria, learning about that. And like it was very interesting because like I have like I have a friend who's who got infected with malaria. So like that's why like I decided to like do this.
Um, Praveer, that was a very,
Okay,
very,
you can stop presenting. 1 minute. Can you stop your presentation and come on screen, Praveer? Okay. So let me, yes. Go ahead, Professor Kate.
right. Can you just give me a couple of examples of countries with higher altitude that we're seeing these mosquitoes migrate to and then be able to spread malaria that way?
Uh,
I think like I'm pretty sure in Kenya. I'm pretty sure in Kenya,
Okay,
a mountain.
okay. So we're not talking about like finding mosquitoes in dry, arid places though, like the top of like Mount Everest or anything like that.
Yeah, not on Mount Everest, but like in
Okay. Yeah.
Africa. So like
Yeah, but they were at the flatlands for a long time. And when you see populations move, is that a good thing usually?
when populations move. So
Move, right. Are there natural predators for, think about this sometime. We need natural predators for those mosquitoes so they're not transferring stuff
yeah,
from one person to the next. Exactly. Okay, very good. Thank you. You did a nice job this semester. So did you, Krisha.
thank you.
okay, a big round of applause to Praveer.